In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make unique voices with ElevenLabs. We'll start simple and move quickly so you can create a one-of-a-kind voice from scratch in just a few minutes. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs, then press Enter. From the results page, click the official ElevenLabs website to open the platform. Once you're on the site, locate the Voices section in the top navigation and click it. This brings you to the voice area where you can explore and manage voices. Next, switch to My Voices so you're working inside your personal space where your creations will live. Here, click Create a Voice to begin. When the options appear, choose Voice Design. This is the tool that lets you generate a brand new voice simply by describing it in plain English. Now it's time to write your prompt. Think of this like giving a director's note. Describe what you want to hear in terms of tone, age, energy, pacing, accent, and overall vibe. For example, you might write something like, create a mystical wizard voice with a wise, powerful presence. The tone should be deep but slightly gravelly, with a magical echo or ethereal warmth. Speech should feel slow, intentional, and ancient, as if every word carries hidden knowledge and arcane energy. The more specific you are, the better the results. If you know you want a calm narrator, mention steady pacing and neutral warmth. If you want energy, say lively, bright, and enthusiastic. If accent matters, include it in your description. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Voice. The system will process your description and produce options based on what you wrote. Give it a moment to finish. Once the voices appear, listen through them and pay attention to details like clarity, breathiness, resonance, and pacing. If a voice sounds close but not quite right, consider whether your prompt could be clearer. For instance, ask for slower delivery, a softer tone, a darker timbre, or a lighter, more youthful feel. Finally, select the voice you want. Choose the one that best matches your creative vision, whether it's for narration, character work, videos, or game dialogue. You can always come back and generate more variations by refining your prompt with sharper descriptors. Small tweaks like adjusting depth, warmth, or tempo can make a big difference. That's it. You've just created a unique voice in ElevenLabs by moving from Google to the platform, opening Voices in My Voices, choosing Create a Voice, using Voice Design, writing a clear prompt, generating options, and selecting your favorite result.